IvyMasters.com. Today we're going to look at 6 questions from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. This is a harder set of writing questions. Number 6 reads, which choice best states the main idea of the text? So you always want to read the question first. You want to have an idea of how to approach the passage. So we're going to read the passage, and then we're going to predict what do you think the main idea is here. 1934, physicist Eugene Wigner posited, which means he put forth for acceptance, the existence of a crystal consisting entirely of electrons in a honeycomb-like structure. So this is basically a theory at this point. He's like, yeah, I'm pretty sure this thing exists. The so-called Wigner crystal remained largely conjecture, like an educated guess, an idea literally thrown together. However, until Feng Wang and colleagues announced in 2021 that they had captured an image of one. So essentially what's that mean, capture an image? They took a picture of it. The researchers trapped electrons into semiconductors, then cooled the apparatus, causing electrons to settle into crystalline structure. By inserting an ultrathin sheet of graphene above the crystal, the researchers obtained an impression, the first visual confirmation of the Wigner crystal. Answer is A. Researchers have obtained the most definitive evidence to date of the existence of the Wigner crystal. So I don't like this answer choice because it says it's the most definitive evidence to date. This was in 2021. It is now 2024. It's possible that we have better evidence of it at this point. I mean, I'm not sure what would be better evidence than the picture, but let's look at the other answer choices. Or you might just leave that one alone and come back to it. Answer is B. Researchers identified an innovative method for working with unusual crystalline structures. First off, it says unusual crystalline structures. There's only one crystalline structure mentioned here. It's a Wigner crystal. Second thing, it's not an innovative new method for working with it. All they did was take a picture of it. They're not doing anything with it. So I don't like. I like B less than I like A. Answer C. Graphene is one of the most important components required to capture an image of a Wigner crystal. So it might be true. Now check it out. Ultra-thin sheet of graphene. They put that above the crystal, and that allowed them to obtain an impression. In other words, that allowed them to capture the image of the Wigner crystal. The problem with this is it's not a main idea. So an answer choice could be wrong because it's too narrow in scope. So this is too specific. It's just one little piece of the entire passage. And an answer choice could be wrong because it's too specific. It could be wrong because it's too general. That's too specific. Answer is D. It's difficult to acquire an image of the Wigner crystal because of the crystal's honeycomb structure. So it does sound like it's difficult to acquire an image of the Wigner crystal. Look at all the stuff they have to do. They have to trap electrons. They got to have it between two semiconductors. They got to cool the apparatus. And then they've got to make sure that sheet of graphene is thin enough to get that impression. Because of the crystal's honeycomb structure, nothing says or implies that it's because of the crystal's honeycomb structure. So I like answer choice D less than I like A as well. Since we do have a picture of it, then that's pretty definitive evidence. Maybe there's other things they've done since to have more definitive evidence. I don't know, but answer choice A looks like it's our best answer. I don't love this question. If you have any questions that you'd like to answer from any official PSAT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot you on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video. And that's going to be above these videos on Test 2, Module 2B, the harder set of reading and writing questions. Also in the comments, let me know. Do you think this is a bad question? Or do you think that this is good? Answer choice A is, I would say it's the best answer, but I think it's good enough to be a definite answer. A definitive answer, you might say. Have a great day.